Step 1. Molding powder. Start by adding cold water. Use slightly less than 2 cups of water for every cup of molding powder. For the full bag, that's 1.75 liter of water. If the weather is hot, you can add a couple of ice cubes to the water, then mix fast for 40 seconds with a whisk. The texture should feel like Greek yogurt. Lumps are fine. Immediately submerge hands after mixing, fingers down, not touching the sides or bottom. Use clay to fill under long fingernails to reinforce the final cast. Stay still for 15 minutes or until fully set. Gently remove hands. Clear out any leftover bits. Step 2. Stone powder. Save a small amount of stone powder for touch-ups. Mix 1 cup of water with 2 cups of stone powder. Water first. Here, half a liter of water with 1 kilos of powder. Again, think Greek yogurt consistency. Pour in 1/3 and rotate the mold to coat all sides. Add the rest and fill to the top. Tap gently to release bubbles. Let it set for 1 to 3 hours. Flip the bucket and remove the mold. Peel it away carefully, bit by bit. Patch up any gaps with saved mix. Let your sculpture dry fully. It'll turn white. Et voilà, you're done.